Cops just in time to foil robbery and more of a female student. The police say they are clamping down on the re-emergence of a criminal scheme which young criminals are using to target students from schools across the country.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The scheme involves the youngsters dressing up in school uniforms and lurking in busy areas around and at the front of educational institutions, all with the intention to attack and rob unsuspecting students. The cops say disguising as students in school uniforms is also being used by criminals to elude the police. The criminals realize that when they dress in the uniforms, they can easily gain the trust of students who are many times not aware that they, the criminals in uniform, are not one of them, said a senior police officer. The method is also used to elude the police when they, the disguised criminals, commit crimes. It is easier for them to escape from authorities by running into a crowd that includes students wearing the same uniform, the police officer explained. Evidence of the scheme was cited on Thursday after a youngster posing as a student lured a female pupil to a spot near a prominent corporate area high school where he attacked her and stole her phone. But while in the process of doing more, he was spotted by members of a police team. The youngster was chased and held by the cops and was captured on video by onlookers.
No.
Yeah, you know, carry the 20 because you're right. You're traumatized and you know you do that. Carry the accused and no, you're not traumatized.
Sure.
Easy now, man.
You know, it's Teach Them, the #1 intellectual blogging panel on the YouTube channel.
So another one now where taxpayers will have to find $1.3 million to take care of him per year. Peeps, ladies, gents, students, be careful. You understand? They are becoming more and more wise and more sophisticated in their evil deeds, and you have to be alert. You have to be cognizant of your environment and don't trust nobody. You understand? I'm so happy that the police were close by. I'm so happy that he was held. Them boy, me I tell you. But God is good even on a bad day. Youths, be careful, walk good and be wise. If it feel wrong, it wrong. Follow your instinct, not trust nobody, and try as best as possible. Keep your phones in your bags. Keep your headphones out your ears when you're up on the road, man. You understand me? I say, be careful.
Like, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification button. Hey yo, we always up to something.
This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.